Hi everyone, this is Ramkoti Karmireddy. I'm from Arcans India Private Limited. I'm the technical solution specialist for PDM and PLM. I will handle PDM and PLM implementations and integrations. So today the webinar is for the connected product development with Autodesk PLM. How Autodesk PLM will help manufacturer companies. Okay. So we are the Arcans, global leading partners. So we have almost 10 locations in India, 50 plus locations in all over the world. We are the one of the biggest Autodesk Platinum partner in world, and we will handle Bentley, Adobe, and Bluebeam partners also. Okay, we have almost 1,300 plus employees in globally, and 250 user like employees in India. So this is our service portfolio. Okay, for technology and core services, transformational services, think future. Okay, so here we will help you to give the correct solution for MFG and AEC. Okay, so today agenda for introduction of PLM, key features and capabilities, how it will integrate with Vault data management, and how it will integrate with all other CAD softwares and ERPs, and what is the benefit for using PLM, and how many types of licenses is there, and how the interface will looks. Okay, how and in final question and answers. So during presentation, if you have any questions, you can we will discuss end of the presentation. PLM is product lifecycle management. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can type in the chat box. Okay, so end of the section, we will discuss that. And PLM is product lifecycle management, which allows companies to manage all aspects product lifecycle and from design concept to production. Okay, and also it will centralize your design data and streamline your workflow and automation, and it will collaborate across your stakeholders like different teams within organization. Easily you can able to collaborate, and it will include your engineering, quality, and supply chain and etc. Like these all departments, you can able to streamline and collaborate. Collaboratively you can able to configure. So why manufacturers invest PLM? One is for the main thing like improve collaboration. If you have multiple teams and different locations, so easily you can able to streamline your all teams in single platform, which is PLM. Okay, so easily accessible, which is you can wherever you can access in wherever, it's a completely cloud based solution. Okay, so you don't need to invest any servers on-premises servers and all. It's a completely cloud-based solution for that. And increase product development ability. If you have multiple departments like supply chain, quality, and new product developments and all, and if you want to configure your bill of materials management and all, so in PLM easily you can able to collaborate that, and easily you can able to configure that, improve supply chain agility and reduce non-value added processes, and reduce defects and non-compromises. So these and all in next slides I will explain you more deep. So Autodesk PLM, where you can able to collaborate your manufacturer teams like different procurement teams, engineering teams, services, design, quality, and everything in single platform. So these are the main and most advanced capabilities from Autodesk PLM. Okay, so BOM management and change management, new product introduction and quality management, supply chain management, and design collaboration, design review, and data management. So in next slides, like each of the capabilities I will explain you deep, and I will show you the interface, how it will integrate with your CAD system. Okay. So connected product development, like it's a centralized, like center source of product data. It's open and extendable. It's a completely cloud-based solution. Anywhere you can able to access, and it's all subscription-based model. So it's a completely web application, cloud-based, configurable tenants. Because like in PLM, there will be a different of licenses for users, and like it's like tenants. We will call it as a tenants, and software as service, trusted Autodesk frameworks. So previously, it was Fusion 360 managed extension plus with Upchain. So now it's cloud. Now we will call it as a Fusion manage, Fusion 360 manage. So before going, so now I will show you what and all capabilities is there, how it will works, and how the interface will looks. Okay. The first one, design collaboration and review. So here is the interface. So this configuration, like it will common with all CAD tools. Okay, so where you can able to assign the tasks and markups and feedbacks, and concurrent design, it will convert your design files, it will capture as a version numbering, and even task like notifications also, like email notification when the file change the states, change the some like modifications. So the user will get a notification mail. So those level of configurations is there in PLM. So benefits, no CAD license required for this, available to every user for the design collaboration and review. Markups and issues, and if there are any changes, easily you can able to mark up that. Increase visibility to internal and external stakeholders. If your external stakeholder wants to involve, if they want to see the visible, like the design process and all, if they want to give any markups, if they want to give any reviews and all, so without license this, so they can able to access integrated workflow for task assignments and tracking. So in PLM, we have task management configuration where you can able to give tasks to your users, and you can easily track that. Data management. So multi-CAD integration. So as I told you, Fusion managed with Upchain. Okay. So the Upchain will integrate with all Autodesk softwares, Inventor and all. Okay. Multi-CAD integration. Uh, Here easily like automatically part number will come. We don't need to like hamper user work and all. So when you insert the part, automatically the part number will come. Okay. And revision control and version control is also automated in Fusion PLM. Okay. And automated document transition and permissions and access control. So as I told you, tenants. Okay. So it's a configurable, it's a customizable, easily we can able to create user, and the set of permissions we can customize within the PLM. Okay, so do which level of permissions, which level of access we need to give particular user and all particular team. So these level of permissions and access control easily we can able to customize in or configure in PLM. So benefits, data integrity manage like all CAD files, structure, related items, everything, and source and control data management. So if you want to, and there is one more, like if you are currently using any data management software like Vault, so PLM have that capability to integrate with your data management software also. And visual indicators of changes, revisions, and new like new items and all. If there any changes happen, easily you can able to see the history of that. And if you want to like the versions and all. Like if you want to take the latest version file and all, so PLM or PDM, like it will capture your version control whenever you open file. So it will convert the versions, okay, and new items also, and single repository for all design data. And here, like data management, like if you have any data management software like Vault, if you are currently using Vault, so Fusion Manage extension can able to integrate you with your data management software. This is the main capability, like BOM management in PLM, like items and bill of materials management with lifecycle control. Easily you can able to create that items and bill of materials, and configurable and actual like bill of material views, like if you have particular, if you want particular bill of material view, if you want to like add more properties, if you want to extract, and if you want to view the particular bill of material views and all, easily you can able to configure. It's a configurable, okay. So there was by default also almost 10 plus bill of materials views is there, okay. So and if you want to configure new views also, easily we can able to configure. Integrated visualization, if you want to see the part visualization, file visualizations and all, so easily in PLM, like Fusion Manage extension, like upchain, easily you can able to view. And bill of materials, row-ups, and revision effectivity. So these are the capabilities you will get in BOM management. Okay, benefits: reduce errors. You don't need to rework. Okay, and you can able to like you don't need like scrap works and all. You don't like, you can eliminate that. Easily compare changes to ensure accuracy, and improve reuse and design decisions. Okay, you don't need to reuse. You can because there was a copy design option also is there, so you can easily copy the complete design and the materials also. Multiple views to enable clear and concise information based on the role. If we can say bill of materials, like if you want to view the manufacture bill of material views, or if you want to see the procurement bill of material views, like IT or your sales, so this level of views we can able to configure. That capability is there in Fusion Manage. Next one, change management, engineering change orders and all, like investigate where used and affected items, and change effectivity and material deposition, and include markups and other attachments, and configure workflows to fit your business, and include third-party suppliers and partners, track complete workflow history and traceability. So here and in Fusion, like in Upchain, like if you want to add any attachments and in markup attachments and all, so easily you can able to attach. And if you want to configure your workflows, okay. So if you have any existing workflows you are currently using for change order, change management and all, in the same workflow you can able to easily configure. Or if you want to configure new workflows, so in PLM we can easily configure that. And the workflows and history, okay, that also you can able to see. I think there was this snap we have attached here, so easily you can able to see the workflow of the history, like where current file history and all. So these level of reports also you can able to get. uh, there was by default real-time reporting templates is there. So are also you can able to create own report templates also, okay. And new product development, if you want to like new if you are handling any new project within PLM and all, and configure workflows and approvals, task management, and real-time progress status and dashboards and reporting. So if you want to handle any new projects in PLM environment, like workflows, so already default workflows is there. So if you want to configure new workflow within that particular project, so yes, PLM have the capability. Easily you can able to capture and configure the workflow and approvals. You don't in the approvals and all, you don't need to send any mails and all. So within the PLM only, you can able to get the approvals. You can able to give the approvals also. So whenever the file change the states or whenever the item change the state, so the person, the user will get a email notification for that, because PLM have that email notification configuration when the file or any changes happen. So immediately the person will get email notification for that. And task management, if you want to give any particular task to any user or any group or any team, so PLM have that task management capability and configuration. So easily you can able to uh, give the tasks, manage the task, and there will be a like, if you are given any period time for that, like if you want, if you selected some time like 7 days, within that 7 days, if the person user is not completed that work, so automatically the files, the data will come back to the person. So these level of tasks easily you can able to configure. Real-time progress status dashboards and reports, as I told you, PLM have some default templates for reportings. So, and also there will be a capability to easily you can able to configure your own report and dashboards. Okay, even dashboards also we can able to customize and configure also. Real-time to-do lists and notifications and escalations, email notifications, like yes, what can like PLM have that capability, so easily you will get the notifications. Connect new product introduction project to product data, bill of materials, drawings, specifications, and more. So benefits: automated page-gated workflows with templates. Yes, PLM have like more by default templates, and also you can able to create your own workflow templates. Assign and rule of tasks, related tasks, like as I told you, like if you want to assign work to any user, so these level of tasks also you can able to manage. Increase visibility and accountability for project status, and focus resources on the best ideas. So these are the more benefits for new product introduction, NPI. Okay, so supply chain management, yes, if you want to submit RFQs through centralized portal like Fusion, like PLM and all, yes, we have that option called supply chain management, where you can able to submit RFQ documents. Okay, manage pricings between multiple suppliers. Yes, in the through supply chain management, you can able to involve your staff like suppliers also. You can able to like submit RFQs. You can able to manage your pricings also. Include suppliers in change management process and task notification workflow, and mainly history and of suppliers deliverables for traceability, and schedule, perform, and document supplier audits. Keep approved suppliers list updated in real time. Okay, so easily like you can able to involve your suppliers and stakeholders, and you can manage your pricings in single platform. You can able to submit the RFQs also. Okay, quality management. Yes, manage quality processes tied up engineering changes. Okay, ECO process and all, and automate task notification, reminders, and escalations. If any quality management like changing like engineering changes and all happens, easily you will get a notification for that, and reminders also you will get notifications. See real-time metrics for analyze trends and prevent issues. Maintain history of workflow, even the records for tradability. Like real-time reporting dashboards is there. So you can see that snapshots. So these are like we can able to like easily configure, and we can customize also as per our and your requirement. Okay. So quality management or supply chain management and ECO and COs and all change orders and all, so these level of reports, dashboards, we can able to configure. And in PLM, we have App Store where you can asset like manage like you can if you want to add more configurations and workflows and automatic numbering schemes and like these level of asset management is available. Okay, so easily you can able to get from App Store, easily you can able to install and configure that. So the future, why like you need to invest PLM. If there was a like if you can see the difference between PDM and PLM. And here, what Autodesk PLM have capability to integrate with your PDM also, but why only PLM? So PDM expensive IT overhead and hardware. So in PDM you have to set up a server on premises, and you have to purchase a storage and these things. But in PLM low cost, okay, you don't need to purchase any hardware. So it's a completely cloud based, and PDM requires extensive consulting and training is very lengthy for PDM, difficult to adapt and time consuming and costly for upgrades. Okay, but the PLM low cost and there is no server requirements. It's a completely cloud based solution, and it's a out of box workflows and integrations also can able to configure with PLM, and quick and easily onboarding. And here like if you want to add your suppliers and uh, outside of just stakeholders and all, easily you can able to involve. Okay, and rapid development and adoption, easily you can able to adapt PLM. And the training also, it's not a lengthy, like it's a very user friendly dashboards and workflows. Okay, and evergreen automatic updates at low cost. If we can say PDM, if you want to upgrade, so there will be a cost for that. You want to take up backups and you have to upgrade, you have to purchase new license for the new upgradation setup and all. But in PLM, there is no cost for upgradations. Automatically it will update. There is no cost for the upgrades and all. So this is the main interface dashboard for PLM, where you can able to see the project completion details, overviews, and assignments. If you are like there is an assignments and all, so these level of report as like interface you can able to get. But this is also default interface. Here also you can able to configure as per your requirement. If you have multiple projects, yeah, project level dashboard and team level dashboards. So these level of dashboards like in interface we can able to easily configure in PLM. So Upchain have direct connection with Inventor or Autodesk softwares. So easily you can able to integrate. These are dashboards for like intuitive, like see like the process and all, the task dates and all, uh, how much like what and all tasks is happened. So these level of dashboards also you can able to get complete project level of overview you will get. This is like keeping everyone aligned. So as I told you, it's a completely uh, collaboratively you can able to like involve your teams, streamline. So where if you have multiple projects and all, easily you can able to trace and how many users is included particular project, and what and all tasks is ongoing the particular user and all particular team. So these level of assignments and like projects overview, everything you can able to get. This is for example, like there was a lot of like properties is there. Through the properties, like as per your requirement, easily you can able to configure that. Okay. So Upchain have the capability to directly integrate with the Inventor. Okay. So directly it will integrate. Everyone can see the same data. Okay, you can able to easily see the visualization without any license for that. You don't need license for to see the visualization files and all. visualization. If you want to open that particular file and all, so you don't need a license for that. Easily you can able to open. Speed and review cycles for reviews or approvals. You don't need to send a mail. Okay, is in PLM only you can able to review the files and you can able to give the approval for the files and all. Okay, if you want to give any comments, if you want to take the snap and if you want to give any comments for the particular remarks and all. So these things and all within the PLM only you can able to manage. You don't need any mails and all. You need to download the files, attach the files. So these and all you can able to eliminate in PLM. Through the PLM only you can able to manage these things. So visualization, so yeah, if you want to see the visualization attached like files and all, so in without opening that file in particular CAD and all, so within PLM only you can able to view the visualization. So there is a dashboard for the file visualizations where you can able to see the multiple visualization files. Automated BOM and 3D compare. Yes, like PLM will capture your bill of materials automatically and it will compare to the like, and also it will compare 3D to the 3D also. Okay. This is the supply chain management dashboard. And hey, where you can RFQs and all is in the PLM only you can able to submit RFQs to your like vendors and suppliers. Okay. So here you can able to add your involve your suppliers to within the PLM with centralizedly. So the your supplies can get a notifications notifies that whenever the changes or whenever the price manages and all. If your supplier wants to give or if you want if, RFQs and all, if they want to accept, if they want to reject, so this level of RFQs and all within PLM only you can able to manage. Yeah, these are the main capabilities from you will get from Autodesk PLM. And now we will go with like how many types of licenses is there. So one is the enterprise and professional and standard and participant. Participant means like we can start with enterprise. So it's a professional capabilities plus third party integrations like third party users in Fusion 360 manage, and you will get 300 GB of cloud storage, data storage, and like you will get a upchain sandbox. Okay, so into enterprise. In professional, multi-CAD product development, like professional can able to integrate data management and desktop plugins, CAD plugins like Inventor, AutoCAD, Fusion 360. So these plugins and all desktop plugins you will get. And workplace setup and administration. Yes, there will be administration setup where you can able to configure your teams, you can able to configure your users and projects and everything. So here you will get 30 GB of cloud data storage. And standard, which is participate capabilities like users, if I can say, create and edit workflows. Like if you want to create a new workflows, edit existing workflows, and if you want to create an items, manage attached documents and all, quality management, supply chain management and all. So it will come Fusion manage standard licenses. Participant, where you can read and review the data, review and download the files, and workflows send and comments if you want to give any comments, and create and run report and charts. This is a participant. So four level of licenses is there. So now we will call, previously it was Fusion managed with Upchain, now we will call as Fusion managed extension. The same participant and standard and professional. So there will be another license for Vault PLM where you can able to get Vault with Fusion Manage extension. So you can able to manage your data management like engineering change order process, or if you want to manage data in server missions like on premises and all. Yes, you will get Vault PDM with PLM. Okay, so that PLM will integrate with your direct CAD, directly CAD to, and it will integrate to PDM also. So Vault PLM Professional, it will you will get Vault Professional plus Fusion 360 Manage Professional, including like all CAD integrations and CAD desktop CAD plugins, workspace setup and administration, and cloud storage also you will get include Vault Professional. It's a on premises standard. So it's a participant capabilities like if you want to configure teams and all, if you want to create and edit workflows and all. So there will be a three types of licenses. Yes, thank you. Like, yeah, if you have any questions, you can. Yes, please. If you want to ask any questions, yes, Syed, you can. Hello. Hello. Yes, anyone? Hello. Yeah, Syed, you can. Hello. Hello. Yes, Syed. You are not audible.
Hello,
Yes, Syed. Yes.
sir. How to implement and how to learn of PLM?
Sir, can you please repeat again?
Sir, how to learn of regarding this PLM and how to implement?
Yes, sir. It depends. Like if you are currently using any PDM or PLM, sir, no, sir, all right. So yes, sir. Otherwise you can give me your please enter your give me your mail ID in chat box so that we will get back to you with that and we will directly connect to you. Okay. We are not audible for.
For able.
Oh. No, sir. We are not able. Audible. We are not able to get your voice.
Sir, please you can able the chat box.
Okay. Uh, okay, guys. Like you can, if you have any questions, you can ask. Or if you want to learn, or if you want to go like deep level and all, you can just mention your mail ID so that we will arrange one technical discussion for that. Okay, sure. Okay, so okay. So if you have any questions or otherwise we can wind up. So we will get back to you with the details. Okay, we will directly contact to you. Okay, thank you, Sayed. Thank you, Santosh. Yeah, so I will get back to you directly. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, so we can wind up. Okay, thank you, everyone. So yeah, feel free to reach us. Like if you have any, like if you want any technical discussions for this, how to go forward and all for PLM and all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for giving me such a type of information regarding PLM.
Thank you.